who's it good for? I mean, it's come down a lot. When was the last time? You just don't see Amazon down $400 in a session.
The worst day.
Right?
It's the worst day for Amazon since worst individual day for Amazon since 2011. And I know we're going to talk more about it later. This is not a bad quarter. The problem is it's normalization of the typical growth rate back to 2019, early 2020, prior to the pandemic. But that's the market is. You're talking about people who have the attention span, like they're on TikTok, they're on Twitter, they can't even think straight. If you think about what's going on at Amazon, cloud growth is almost 40%. That's the growth business, not groceries. How do you not understand that? Look at the advertising platform growth; it's on fire.
The problem is, speaking of the cloud, Doc, and you own the stock. AWS was 40% growth last quarter, and it's still robust, obviously. You look at 36% growth. That's not 40, though.
Mm-hmm.
So you have concerns that things are slowing, even on the margins. John Najarian, give me your perspective here. Is this a no-brainer buy at this point of shares of Amazon, which are having a historic pullback?
I think it will be a no-brainer pullback next week, Scott. I don't think it's a no-brainer pullback today. I hope I'm wrong. I mean, I own Amazon. I've written calls against it. They are not saving my bacon today because obviously there weren't calls available to me, Scott, other than deep in the money calls that could have offset a 300-point decline in the stock, which is what we've seen today. I think that probably gets a little worse next week. I like what Josh said about the potential that Warren's team, because it was never, of course, Warren Buffett that got into Apple. It was his team that pushed him into Apple. And they may be, basically in a meeting right now making a similar pitch about Amazon.
Yeah, but rest assured, they wouldn't be an Apple. They wouldn't be an Apple, and to the magnitude of which they are, without the king, right? So, I mean, I know it's said, well, it's his team and all this and that. We don't know that for sure. I mean, they wouldn't be.
We do know that for
truck.
sure. He has said that.
But they wouldn't continue to back up the truck if they didn't have the blessing of the king.
Charlie Munger is buying Alibaba on margin right now for the Daily Journal company. They're a little gutsier than we give them credit for. And please remember, Geico was pretty much a penny stock when they first started establishing their position. Please remember, Amex was the fintech of its day. It was revolutionary when Buffett and co. started buying into that. We just look at these companies now like old stodgy brands. But understand, they love businesses like this. Amazon raised its Prime membership rate from 119 to 139 this year. There was a recent survey of Prime members. 98% of current Prime members said that they're going to re-up. Tell me how that's not a classic Berkshire Hathaway business. That's literally the moat, the recurring business, everything that they look for when they look for a great brand. And the reason why this is so obvious to me, there are very few stocks that could move the needle at Berkshire. It's a hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars in the stock portfolio, 150 billion-ish in cash right now. There's almost nothing they could buy that actually would matter. Amazon's big enough where they actually could take a position without taking over the whole company, and it would matter. So I don't know anything. It's all speculation. But I'm saying this is the kind of stock in the kind of environment that a growth at a reasonable price investor should be looking at.